trouble. Should we switch back to our regular dinosaurs? Guess not. This is bad. Very bad.
Oh no! There's the baby Bronto. It must have run off.
And the mommy is very upset.
Gotta catch that baby fast! Min, you and Miguel stop the Bronto parents. I'll wrangle their baby.
Vámonos, Blitz! Whoa! It's gonna be hard to stop those big Brontos, Tango. But I know you can stop those rocks. Yes! That's what I call Dino-Mite!
Okay, Blitz. Instead of chasing them, we'll cut them off at the pass. It's Velocitime! Be careful, little Bronto. Oh, no! The tar pit! Stop! Clover, wait. If we move too fast, we'll scare him and he'll fall into the tar pit. Slow and steady is the only way to save him. It's okay. Don't be afraid.
It's okay. Your baby is safe.
Clover and John know what to do. You're safe now. Raptor tracks! Attaboy, Blitz! Look! The raptors went that way! Let's go, Blitz! Yay! Yeehaw! Come on, you guys! What are you waiting for?
Wait! John!
It's not safe! Whoa!
That cast makes it hard for you to ride, John. Crossing that bridge isn't safe.
Safe for who? We're dino ranchers. We do this all the time. Yeah! Uh-oh.
John! Giddy up and go, Clover!
Help! Wow! Amazing catch, man! Wow! And I thought I had the fastest lasso in the land.
But John, you could have hurt yourself again. Maybe you should stay behind.
What? No! We always do everything together. And I made a promise to our little friend here. Well, at least go slower, okay? Okay. Easy, Tango. Where's John? We're right behind you.
Miguel and I can handle this. John, are you sure you want to keep going?
Sure, I'm sure. I see them. It's the Raptor Pack. If we hurry, we can catch them. Then what are we waiting for? Come on, Blitz. Pick up the pace. Yeah. Whoa. We're falling behind again, Blitz. Come on, give it all you got. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Great Thunder and Dino, whoa. They're going the wrong way. It's okay, Blitz. Let's catch those raptors. These boulders are slowing us down. At this rate, we'll never catch up to those raptors. John! Arriba, Tango! Go, go, go! Yeehaw! Blitz, look! Tango is clearing the trail for us. Wow, that was dynamite! Thanks, little brother. Anything for you, hermano. Suffering Saddlehorn. Only two things could cause a trail of trouble like this. A tornado or rampaging Spinosaurus. That's weird. Look at these tracks. Come on, Miguel. We need to hurry. Coming! Look, Min. It's like the Spinosaurus is running all over the place, charging and crashing into everything he sees.
He sure is behaving strangely. Dinosaurs don't normally just run around smashing stuff.
But why would it do that? There must be a reason why the Spinosaurus is acting that way. You guys, what are we waiting for? There's no time to stand around. You said the Spinosaurus is one of the biggest, baddest, and fastest dinosaurs we know. We gotta get going or we'll never catch him. He could be anywhere by now. He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh, would you look at the time? See ya! Whoa! That is one angry dinosaur! I've never seen a Spinosaurus with those strange markings before. I need to get a closer look.
And he's acting very strangely.
He's taking off again! After him, Blitz! It's Velocitime! No, John! Don't chase him! Don't worry! We'll be careful! Blitz is too fast to let a big old dinosaur stop us! Got him! Whoa!
Hang on, John! We're coming!
Whoa! Yeehaw!
John!
Whee! Phew! Thanks, Blitz. Yeehaw! Whoa! Howdy there! I'm John, and this is my best buddy, Blitz. Blitz is the fastest velociraptor on Dino Ranch, aren't you, boy? Yeehaw! You've got to be fast on your feet to be a Dino Rancher. Just have a look yourself. It's Velocitime! Whoa! Every day brings a new challenge, but lucky for me, I've got my little sister Min, brother Miguel, and best buddy Blitz to help me out. Let's saddle up! Dino Rangers, ride! Follow that Spinosaurus!
Miguel, what are you two doing?
I need to get close enough to really see that Spinosaurus. I knew it. Those aren't the Spinosaurus's body markings. That's mud, Tango. John, wait! I think I know what's wrong with that Spinosaurus! We can't slow down, Miguel! He's heading for Dino Ranch! Okay, then. Let me show you. Arriba, Tango! Vámonos! Hey, Spinosaurus! Miguel, look out! He'll charge at you! Look here! That's weird. He didn't even try to charge him. I don't get it. I figured it out. Look at the Spinosaurus's face.
It's mud! He has mud covering his eyes. He can't see.
Exactly. That's what I was trying to tell you. Good thinking, Miguel.
Now that we know what the real problem is, let's go help that dinosaur.
Dino Rangers, ride! Tango, we just fixed that. Hola, my name's Miguel, and Tango here's my best friend. She's the strongest Triceratops ever. When you love building things and have a dino best friend who loves bashing things, every day is Dino-mite! Tango and I make a Dino-mite team, along with my big brother John and sister Min.